Hello, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Hope you got time to study. Hope you had great Eid celebrations, and we are back again with the same thing drama, Merchant of Venice. And last time we studied Act 1, Scene 1. Today I'll be teaching you Act 1, Scene 2. Before I start with the second scene, I will just do a quick recap of what we studied in the earlier lecture. I told you, or we got to understand that we were introduced to uh, Antonio and Bassanio. We got to know that they are best friends and they can do anything for each other. They can also, they love to spend time with each other, and they share a very close bond. We were also introduced to other friends, Lorenzo, Graziano, Salarino, Salenio, and they are a group of close friends. They love to spend time with each other. We also understood that Antonio and Bassanio, though they are best friends, but they are very different from each other. Antonio seems to be a very serious kind of a person. He is the merchant of Venice. He is he lends money, but he does not take interest on it. Basically, he is a very sad sort of a person. He's not sad. He says that this world is a stage and everyone has to play their part, and his part is that of a sad person. So he's a serious kind of philosopher kind of a person. While on the other hand, Bassanio is a spendthrift, an extravagant person. He loves to spend money. He's very social. He loves to party. He loves to be with people, and he lives life to the hilt. Now, some of you have this शिकायत कि मैम इंग्लिश में ही बोलती हैं, समझ में नहीं आता है. Well, you have to understand, especially the words that I use, because ये वो शब्द हैं जो आपकी vocabulary section में आएंगे, तो प्लीज़ उनको थोड़ा सा ध्यान दिया करिए. स्पेंथ्रिफ्ट और एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट मतलब थोड़ा सा खर्चीला इंसान जो कि पैसे खर्चने में बहुत माहिर हो. ओके, सो दिस वाज व्हाट वी studied in the last scene. We also studied that how Bassanio tells Antonio that he is in love with Portia and he wants to go to Belmont to meet her, जहाँ पे उसका स्वयंवर रचाया जा रहा है. He also wants to go and try his luck because he is very sure that he'll come out victorious. तो ये एक ऑप्टिमिस्टिक माइंडसेट लेके वो एंटोनियो से मदद मांगता है कि उसको 3000 टकेट्स चाहिए जिससे वो बेलमोंट जाना चाहता है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली एंटोनियो के पास उतना पैसा नहीं होता है उस समय, तो वो बोलता है कि हम लोगों को मार्केट से पैसे उधार लेने पड़ेंगे. तो both of the first scene ended on the place where both of them go out to arrange for the loan. Okay, all these things happened in Venice, and now we are in Belmont. Okay, where we are in Portia's palace. Now over here we are introduced in Act 1 Scene 2. You are introduced to Portia, who's a very important character in the play, and Nerissa. Now Portia is a very rich woman. She is an orphan. उसके parents नहीं हैं. She is very intelligent, very beautiful, and people from all around the world, especially men, want to get married to her. So they have come to Belmont to try their luck also. और जो पोर्शिया है वो मन ही मन इन ये जो स्वयंवर रचाया गया है उसके लिए वो उसमें पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना चाहती है, क्योंकि वो भी बसानियो को पसंद करती है, लेकिन उसको नहीं मालूम है कि बसानियो से मिलने के लिए आ रहा है. And over here she is just doing it फोर्सबली, ज़बरदस्ती। लेकिन जब उसकी जो फ्रेंड है, मेड है, हेल्पर है, गाइड है, सिस्टर है, ये सारे रोल्स निभाती है नेरेसा। एंड शी इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू नेरेसा। तो वो नेरेसा के पास आके शी सेज दैट आई एम वेरी टायर्ड नेरेसा एंड आई एम लाइक माई बॉडी इज़ एकिंग। तो वो उस नेरेसा उसको कहती है कि तुम तो बिना कुछ काम करे इतनी टायर्ड हो। जिन लोगों के पास दुख तकलीफ़ है, मिजरीज है, they have lot of things and they don't have what you have, the money, especially financially they are very weak. Think about them, how they suffer. You have everything and then you are saying that you are tired and you are sad and you're feeling like this. So Portia says कि हाँ, दूसरों को सीख देना बहुत आसान होता है, पर तुमको क्या पता कि मेरे मन में क्या चल रहा है। तो नेरेसा उसको पूछती है कि क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारे मन में, तुम क्यों इतनी उदास या तुम ऐसे क्यों डिजेक्टेड सा क्यों फील कर रही हो। एंड देन शी सेज दैट आई डोंट वांट टू गेट मैरिड इन दिस मैनर इन हाउ माय फादर वांटेड मी टू गेट मैरिड। सो जस्ट अगेन आई विल बी टेलिंग यू कि उसके फादर ने एक विल बनाई थी, पोर्शिया के फादर ने, because perhaps he knew कि she is intelligent and she is very rich and maybe these men can take advantage of this from his daughter. So he made a will, and Portia says that if you were tied by this will and you didn't want to get married to any of these men who have come to meet you, then how would you feel, Nerissa? I don't want to get married to these men, and similarly, but I'm doing it just for the sake of my father, because I love my father and I respect him also. And just because he wanted me to get married like this, and this is the reason why I am getting married like this. So Nerissa usko थोड़ी सी तसल्ली देती है, and she says that don't get worried, Portia. Your father was a very intelligent man. और अगर उन्होंने ऐसा कोई शर्त रखी है तुम्हारी शादी के लिए, तो उन्होंने कुछ सोच समझ के ही रखा होगा। And then she says कि see, there are 3 cascades. One is made of gold, the other of silver, and the third of lead. Cascades यानी कि छोटे संदूक जैसे boxes. So in one of the cascades is the picture of Portia. किस कैस्केट में है वो किसी को नहीं पता है। और जो ये मेन आए हुए हैं स्वयंवर के लिए, उन लोगों को चांस मिलेगा वो बॉक्स खोलने का, और जो भी वो बॉक्स खोलता है जिसमें कि पोर्शिया की तस्वीर है, ही विल बी द लकी वन टू गेट मैरिड टू पोर्शिया। एंड नेरेसा ट्राइज टू एक्सप्लेन है कि तुमको इतना दुखी होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि जो लेजिबल होगा या जो कि द पर्सन हु चूजेस द राइट कैस्केट विल डेफिनेटली बी अ वेरी वाइज मैन हु विल लव यू फॉर वॉट यू आर, नॉट फॉर द वेल्थ दैट यू हैव। सो शी इज़ लाइक ओके, शी फील्स बेटर। सो नेरेसा कहती है छोड़ो ये सब बातें छोड़ो, मैं बारी बारी से पूछूंगी कि तुमको ये जो आदमी लोग आए हैं तुमसे मिलने के लिए, तुमको कैसे लगे, तो तुम मुझको बताना। तो कहती है श्योर, आई विल टेल यू, यू नेम देम वन बाय वन एंड आई विल टेल यू। सो द फर्स्ट वन हु कम्स टू मीट पोर्शिया इज़ अ जर्मन person. Okay, he is the German Palatine Court Count, and he says, how is he? And she says that he's such a serious man, he doesn't smile. कोई जोक होता है तभी भी वो सीरियस रहता है, कोई सीरियस बात होती है तभी भी वो सीरियस रहता है, और उसके फेस पे कोई इमोशन ही नहीं है। ही इज़ लाइक ही डजंट हैव एनी एक्सप्रेशन ऑन his face. So it's better to get married to a skeleton than to get married to this German count. So they laugh. Then she says, what about the French Lord, Monseigneur Le Bon? And he says that he's another one. क्योंकि क्योंकि उसको भगवान ने आदमी बना दिया है तो वो आदमी कहलाता है, पर उसमें आदमी जैसी कोई क्वालिटी नहीं है, डजंट हैव एनी क्वालिटी ऑफ अ मैन, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही डरपोक किस्म का आदमी है. सो ही सेज शी एक्सप्लेन्स हाउ दिस मॉन्सिन्योर ले बॉन इज, एंड देन शी सेज दैट कि एक छोटी बर्ड थी, थ्रश, it was singing, and this man got scared with the voice of the bird, and then he saw his own shadow and he took out the sword, और वो अपनी ही shadow से लड़ने लगा. वो अपनी shadow से डर गया था. सो कहते अगर इतना डरपोक है जो अब आदमी अपनी ही shadow से डर जाएगा तो वो अपनी वाइफ की क्या देखभाल करेगा. तो perhaps I will have to take care of him if we get married, then I will have to take care of him rather he taking care of me. So again both of them laugh it off, and then she says, what about the Falcon Bridge, the young Baron of England? And she says कि क्योंकि वो इंग्लैंड से आया है तो वो सिर्फ इंग्लिश बोलता है, ना उसको फ्रेंच बोलनी आती है, ना लैटिन बोलनी आती है, ना इटालियन बोलनी आती है. एंड दीज वर द 3 languages that Portia knew, and Portia did not know how to speak in English. So she says कि both of us, he talks something, I answer something, he can't understand my language, I don't understand his language. So I don't know if by chance he chooses the right cascade, then I don't know how will it be. क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, मुझे नहीं पता, क्योंकि हम तो एक दूसरे की आवाज़ और बातें समझ ही नहीं पाएंगे. So then Nerissa says, and what about the Scottish lord? The Scottish people are from Scotland, and Scotland and England are neighbors, and they don't get along well actually. तो कहती है कि स्कॉटिश लॉर्ड जब तक मेरे पास आके मेरे से मिलता और बात करता था तो इंग्लिश जो लॉर्ड था जो इंग्लैंड से आया था उसको तकलीफ़ होने लगी, तो वो आपस में ही लड़ने लगे, उसने मिलने ही नहीं दिया मुझसे. सो दे फॉट एंड दे फिनिश्ड ऑफ. I couldn't meet him only. And then she says, what about the Duke of Saxony? And he says that, oh well, the Duke of Saxony is a drunkard. वो इतना शराबी आदमी है कि वो सुबह उठते ही पीने लगता है और जब तक रात होती है तब तक somebody has to carry him, and he is so used to drinking that he doesn't know कि क्या हो रहा है. Then she says, Nerissa, do me one favor. And Nerissa says, what? And then she says कि जब ये Duke of Saxony है, when he'll be choosing the cascades, then you put a wine bottle in front of the wrong cascade. So this fellow will be so taken up by the wine bottle कि उसका concentration wine bottle पे होगा और वो गलत कैस्केड से गलत चीज़ उठाएगा तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी क्योंकि मेरी जान बच जाएगी, and I will not have to get married to this stupid fellow. Okay, so they both laugh. And then Nerissa says, Portia, you are safe because you don't have to get married to any of these men. और वो पूछती है कि why? तो because these men have decided that they will not choose the casket and they will leave. So कहती है thank God. Portia कहती है thank God, because if by chance any one of these guys who are like everybody is so unique and so not up to the mark according to Portia, if by chance any one of them chose the right casket, then she would have to get married to them, any one of them. And she says thank God that I am saved. और जब ये दोनों बात कर रहे होते हैं तो वहाँ पे एक सर्वेंट आता है पोर्शिया का, and she says, madam, these all the men who had come to see you from different places, they are waiting for you to say goodbye to them because they want to go home. And she is so happy to, like, she is very diplomatic. उसको कोई पसंद नहीं है लेकिन वो सबको ऐसा दिखाती है कि like she is the perfect host, you know. कभी कभी जैसे हम लोग के घर भी मेहमान आते हैं, हमको शायद अच्छा नहीं लगता कभी कभी कुछ लोगों को देख के, पर हम लोग फिर भी प्रिटेंड करते हैं कि हमको बहुत खुशी हो रही है, आइए आइए बैठिए, खाइए, चाय पिएंगी, कॉफ़ी पिएंगी. और मन ही मन में कहते हैं कि क्यों आ गया, हम जाके नहीं रहे हैं, like that only. Portia is behaving like that. So the servant also tells, and ma'am, there's another one who's coming to meet you. He is the Prince of Morocco. So Portia says कि as I wish, जितनी खुशी से मैं बाय कह रही हूँ इन लोगों को, उतनी ही खुशी से मैं उस दूसरे प्रिंस ऑफ मोरक्को को वेलकम भी कर सकती, पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऐसा नहीं है. बट देन शी सेज नेवर माइंड, लेट मी जस्ट गो एंड विश देम एंड वेलकम प्रिंस ऑफ मोरक्को हु हैज़ कम टू मीट. Okay, so here the second scene ends, right? So in the second scene, Portia gets to meet many of the suitors who have come to meet her and get married to her, try their luck. But fortunately for Portia, they decide not to choose the casket and they decide to go back home. While there is Prince of Morocco who is very adamant, वो casket choose करना चाहता है और वो Portia से मिलना चाहता है, right? So over here we end with the second scene. Hope you will understand it. Just go through this video again if you have not understood it, and if you have the book, try to read the text. It will help you. So have a good day. Bye bye.